Unit 15, Part A, Activity 2A. Listen to 3 conversations. What are they talking about? Choose the correct answers.
Conversation 1.
Hello, Dada. How's everything in Bad Nambong? How are the kids?
Hi, sister. The kids are doing well, and there's some rain now, so the drought isn't so bad anymore. But a lot of my fruit trees died.
You have to let me know if you need any help. I heard from your wife that you had some problems with money for your farm business because of the drought.
Yes, because a lot of our fruit trees died, and even some of our animals.
You know, I can always lend you some money in this difficult time. I can help you out.
Thank you so much, but right now, I think we are okay. I will be in Siem Reap next month for 2 days to meet some customers. I'm wondering if I can borrow your motorbike when I'm there.
Of course. I'm happy to hear you're coming to Siem Reap. Sam Nang will be happy to see you too. Come and stay at our house.
Conversation 2.
Vicky, where are you going?
Oh, I'm meeting Lisa for coffee. She's in town and gave me a call this morning.
That's lovely. I haven't seen Lisa since she moved to Phnom Penh. What's she doing in Siem Reap?
She's here for work. I think she's showing her boss some new hotels to include in their tour package. You know she works in the tourism industry. By the way, do you think I should take her some cookies I made last night?
You have to. Lisa always loves your cookies. All right, have fun and say hi to Lisa for me.
Conversation 3.
Where are you going, Tim? Are you going out?
Yes, Lynn, I'm going to Kasal's house to play some video games together.
I see. Before you go, where's my new cartoon book?
Or what book?
You promised me a cartoon book. You said you were going to get it for me from the library. Don't tell me you forgot.
Oh, no. I'm sorry, Lynn. I wanted to go to the library yesterday, but then I decided to go later instead.
Can you get me that book from the library tomorrow then?
Sure. Sorry again.